This is a quick training lesson for the Yealink T54W phones. Everything covered will be in your provided quick user guide, or you can speak with your system administrator if you have questions. First off, to place a call, you can just dial on the keypad. It is a hot keypad, and then either press the pound key or the send soft key. Soft keys are the 4 buttons that come up in the display. They're going to change depending on what state your phone is in. You do not need to dial an 8 or a 9 before placing an outbound call. Just dial the number and hit pound or send. So with the handset down, I can simply dial the phone number and then either press send or pound, and it will place the call for me. When I place it this way, I am on speaker. I can pick up the handset to take it off speaker if I'd like. So, if you're using a headset, there's also a provided fixed headset key, which you can press first and then dial the phone number. Answering calls, if your phone is ringing, I place a test call to this phone. Phone begins ringing. I can either answer it by pressing the speaker key, the headset key if I'm using a headset, or simply pick up the handset. If I want to place a call on hold, I can do that a couple of ways, either using the soft key, there's a hold soft key, or press the fixed hold button on the phone. It's got a little pause and a handset. So when I do that, it's going to place the call on hold. Music you're hearing is what the caller would hear, just on hold music. To take that call off of hold, you're going to either press the resume soft key or press the hold button again to take it off of hold. I'm going to go ahead and press resume, and now I'm back online with the caller.